Hi lovely people! So today's video is going to be me basically ranting about my Birchbox that came yesterday. But to start, I'm going to start on a positive note. So I'm going to do a nice big shout out to the little makeup channel, Rain and Rosh TV, the disgruntled melancholic woman, and Phoebe Rome, who has literally just subscribed to me as I was about to film this video. So thank you, and the first three that I mentioned, thank you so much for your lovely comments in all of my videos. It means so much to me. So I'm just gonna get on with this video. Okay guys, so this Birchbox came to me yesterday, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I had a little rant about the way it came to me. So this is basically why, they've put in a lot of effort with the box, and that was my laptop, but never mind, we'll ignore that. I had, they've put so much effort into the box, and yeah, the box is pretty and all the rest of it. It is, I'm just going to take this out, they've partnered up with Disney, the Nutcracker and the Four Realms. So yes, the box is pretty, but on the inside I feel like they've proper not put much thought into it. I feel like they rushed it out to me because I put a complaint in, because I ordered it at the same time as I ordered my glossy box. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know when that came, and you know that I was super impressed with it and it was beautiful and all the rest of it. And this, it's literally all these products shoved in a box. They've not even put the leaflet in it, which really maddened me. So I've actually had to go and do my own little research to find out how much these products should be, which did annoy me. I don't mind doing my own little research, but it's something that's supposed to get you to want to buy these products, and if that's not there, I'm not going to want to go buy the products. I'm sorry, but I'm not, because I'm just really wound up basically. There's nothing to keep this all looking dead nice. It's literally just shoved in a box, and that really wound me up. But now that I've done with my rant about how rubbish the box actually came, I am actually happy with the products that are inside it, although they have nothing at all to do with Disney, or I don't know, unless it's going to make you feel like a Disney princess. It's got nothing to do with Nutcracker and the Four Realms. But this is the first product I came to. So this is Space Mask, and this is, from what I found, £15 for 5, and it says it's a full-size product, but you only get the one, so it's not a full-size product, because unless they're going to give you a half an eye, it's just not. Anyway, so this is an eye mask that you put on at night, and it says this pouch contains self-heating eye mask which will transport you to another dimension, relieving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The wand comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully reclined and ready for lift off. So from what I've read, it's got like iron particles in the actual mask which react to the oxygen in the air, which makes it heat up, and it's got smells of lavender or something along those lines in it to help you fall asleep. But I'm confused because it says that you have to wear it for 15 minutes and then that's it. But are you supposed to go to sleep with it, because it's a sleep mask? So I don't know, but if you do know, please let me know in the comments down below, because I am really looking forward to trying it out. I've watched other videos on it, and it does look like it sort of relieves your eyes, it gets rid of all the puffiness and the dark circles, and it does look like it's really good. So I am looking forward to trying this product. And the next one I came to is the Polaar night cream, and this looks really pretty and it smells really nice too. But it's like a cream and it feels really nice and soft on your skin, so I'm looking forward to trying this as well. And this is supposed to be £32 for a full size, which is like a big pot, but I suppose that is fairly big, and that's going to go on your face a fair few times. It's not going to run out in like 2 applications, because I think the amount that I've just put on my hand would probably cover the whole of your face. So I am looking forward to trying that. It feels really nice and smooth on my hand. And the next one I came to is Sand and Sky, and I've watched some videos before of a girl that promotes, and I can't actually remember what she's called, but if I do I will leave it in the description down below. And it says that this is not tested on animals, and it's a purifying face mask to detoxify and brighten. So for the full size of this, which would be 100ml, it will be £34.90. but it's all nice and sealed, so let's open it up and see what it actually... Oh, so it is like an actual clear. I think that I feel like it's quite tight in your skin, that it feels like it'd make it quite tight, but that probably would only be like a 2-use thing, depending on how big your face is. I don't know if you can actually see where it's filled up to, but I quite like that and I will try this out. I'll probably put it on tonight and see what it's like. A bit of pamper session. Product is this Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm. It says it's multi-purpose, it's a soothing balm with natural pawpaw. Now, I don't know what pawpaw is, but I don't know. My friend Molly's obsessed with this stuff, she uses it all the time, so I have tried this out before and I do really like it. So it's for lips, skin, cuticles and beauty finishing, and it's fragrance free. But I will use this a lot because it's that time of year, like your skin really dries out, your lips get cracked and sore. So this will be probably in my bag until it runs out, and then I might even buy some more because I do actually really like this product, so thank you. The next product I got is this, and this is Mannakadar Beauty Diamond Dust in Enchanted. So this was the full size product that you got in the box, and you did get to choose which one you want. So it was the Enchanted, and I think the other one was called Pixie. So you could either choose which one you wanted, or you could say surprise me. So I said surprise me because I thought both of them looked pretty. So this is like a roll-on sort of shimmer. So it says you can use it as a bronzer, a highlighter, a shadow, or on your lips for a metallic finish. But that is, I don't know if you can see that as well as I can see it, but it does look really pretty. So I'm just going to stop recording for a second and put it on my eyes so you can actually see what it would look like on your eyes. On this eye, I realised how easy it went on, so I thought I'd actually show you how it went on, but it literally sweeps on really nicely and really easily. Put a bit more. So I am really impressed with that because it is a colour that I often use on my eyes, and if it's an easier way of getting it on, then I'm all for it. Yeah, so although I was annoyed with how long it took for this product, well, my Birchbox, to get to me, and the state it came in, like the fact that it weren't wrapped nice with like crepe paper or ribbons and there was no leaflet in it, I am impressed with the product, especially this that's on my eye right now because I think it's really pretty, and I will wear it quite a lot because it is the shade that I wear quite a lot. If you watch my videos, I am really into like bronzes and reds and all them sort of autumnal colours, should we say. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe. Bye guys!